This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm on Unit 3, Animation and Games, Lesson 15, which is about velocity, Part 12. We already have some code here. It looks familiar, but let's hit run. And is this what we did last time? Up, maybe? And our frog should drop back down. Yes. So if you don't have animations for your frog, you need to go back to 11 and go do lesson 11. If you're stuck on it, check out my tutorial on that. All right. Mushroom. Now you just need something for your sprite to jump over. This program already has a mushroom just past the edge of the screen. Just past the right edge of the screen. But it needs to move towards the frog. Do this. Use the velocity X block to make the mushroom move left across the screen. Hint, the mushroom should start moving at the beginning of the game and never change. So should it be inside or outside the draw loop? If it's never going to change, if you set the velocity and it's not changing, we don't need to check it every time the draw loop runs. So we don't need to run the draw loop, which runs 30 times a second, and every time say, okay, change the velocity, change the velocity, change the velocity. Because the instructions state, use the velocity X block, to make the mushroom move left across the screen. The mushroom should start moving at the very beginning of the game, right when we set it up, and never change. So we need it definitely outside the draw loop. Let's go to our sprites, and X variable. Make sure it's below the mushroom. We need to set the property. We need to set the velocity X property of our mushroom after the mushroom's created, right? Otherwise the computer says, what? What thing are you talking about? So we create the variable mushroom, we set its animation, then we change this from sprite to mushroom. And let's see, if we're moving left, we are going, watch X. X is decreasing, okay? So because 0 is over here for X, so we want the velocity to be negative something. I'm just going to say negative 2, okay? Velocity, make the mushroom move left. All right, let's test it out. Reset and run. And our mushroom is now moving. And our frog is going up, 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 up. Maybe I need to lower how high it goes. But regardless, that's what we got. We got the mushroom moving, instructions, well, followed. So awesome. That was the code that worked for me. Again, I added this velocity X block and I set it to -2. Or -1 would work as well. I bet we're going to need to make it repeat, but we'll see in the next level. All right, let's keep going.